Here are the most used keyboard shortcuts in LabVIEW. To swap the view between panel and diagram, press Ctrl-E. When you double-click on an element, you will see a corresponding terminal on the other window. It works both ways. Run program with Ctrl-R. Break the execution with Ctrl-Dot, but please don't overuse this one. To remove all broken wires in the diagram, press Ctrl-B. But be careful. Sometimes it's better just to remove a single branch. To view context help, use Ctrl-H. To call a quick drop window, press Ctrl-Space. Here are some classics that works in LabVIEW as well. Select all elements with Ctrl-A, and now you can drag the whole thing. Use Ctrl-C to copy, Ctrl-V to paste. Cut elements from diagram with Ctrl-X. You can copy element by dragging it with Ctrl. Dragging an element with Shift blocks it down to an orthogonal movement only. Undo changes with Ctrl-Z. Press Ctrl-N for new VI. To save changes, use Ctrl-S. You can close the program with Ctrl-W. To expand the diagram, press Ctrl and drag. Drag with Alt plus Ctrl pressed to shrink it. Double-clicking on the diagram allows you to add free label. It is perfect tool for description or a comment for the code. Change between run and edit mode with Ctrl-M. It is helpful in editing reentrant VIs. Good tip is to define mostly used shortcuts in a multi-button mouse. One of the most used are Ctrl-E and Ctrl-H. Ctrl-Z and Ctrl-S are often used as well. Ctrl-Q exits LabVIEW, so be careful.